In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance. This process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to ensure a successful transfer without any loss of funds. Let's dive in. First and foremost, before you start the transfer, it's essential to have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. This amount should cover not only what you wish to send, but also the gas fees, which are the transaction fees on the Ethereum network. Without sufficient funds for both the transfer and the associated fees, the process cannot proceed smoothly. Moreover, it's crucial to verify that Binance supports deposits on the network you plan to use, typically the Ethereum mainnet or ERC20 network. Sending your ETH via a network not supported by Binance could result in the loss of your funds, so double-checking this information is a necessary precaution. Also, be aware of any minimum deposit or withdrawal amounts and fees on Binance to prevent any surprises later on. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step guide to transferring Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance. We're assuming you're using a PC and the web interface. This should take about 2 minutes, though actual timings can vary based on network conditions. First, log in to your Binance account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet by opening the Wallet section and then selecting Fiat and Spot or a similar option. Here, you'll find various controls for handling your cryptocurrency. Next, you need to get your Ethereum deposit address from Binance. Start by clicking on Deposit and then select Crypto Deposit. Here, choose Ether or ETH as the coin you want to deposit. Make sure you select the Ethereum ERC20 network or any other network that Binance supports for ETH deposits in your region. After you've made these selections, Binance will provide you with a deposit address. This address will start with 0x. Make sure to copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the next steps. Now, let's switch over to MetaMask. Ensure that MetaMask is unlocked and that you are connected to the Ethereum mainnet network. Within MetaMask, navigate to the Assets tab and select Ethereum ETH from the list. Click on the Send button to initiate the transfer. In the To field, paste the Binance ETH deposit address that you copied earlier. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send and take a moment to review the network fees, also known as gas fees. You may want to adjust gas settings based on your priority for transaction speed versus cost. Before proceeding, double-check the address you pasted. Even a single character mistake can lead to lost Ethereum, so vigilance here is key. Once everything looks good, proceed by confirming the transaction in MetaMask. This might trigger a pop-up where you need to accept the gas fees. After submitting the transaction, there will be a wait period as the Ethereum blockchain processes the transfer. The duration can range from a few minutes to longer, depending on network congestion. Finally, once the transaction is sufficiently confirmed, Binance will credit the Ethereum to your spot or deposit wallet. You can verify its arrival by checking the Deposit History under the Wallet section in Binance. Once confirmed, your Ethereum should be available for trading, selling, or other activities you had planned. And there you have it, your quick guide to transferring Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance, ensuring you stay informed every step of the way.